Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chigirl Remedies. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you a drink that will just brighten up your skin, take away pimple, acne, and make your face to glow. This drink works so well guys. This drink gonna make you to look younger than your age. If this thing sounds like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. The first thing we need for this recipe is carrots. So I'll start by peeling the back of this carrot. When I clear up your skin, just make your skin to just glow. Just be taking your carrot juice. Carrot has the property that will just clear up your skin and make your skin to glow. So I'll just peel off. I'm going to make use of 3 carrots in this recipe. If you want to make it and put it inside your fridge, you can adopt everything we are using in this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your... Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I've peeled off the back of the carrot. This is just 3 and I've washed it, so I'm going to cut it for easy blending. So right now I'm going to add it straight to the bowl. So that is it. This is the first thing we need for this recipe, so I'm gonna set it aside. So the second thing we need is our ginger. So I'm gonna just cut the ones I'm gonna use for this recipe. That's the ones I'm gonna use for this recipe. Peel off the back of the ginger. Guys, it cannot go wrong with ginger. You can't go wrong with ginger. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll just cut it and add it straight to the plate. I'll just add it straight to the plate. So this ginger and carrot, I'll set it aside. So I'll add the carrot and the ginger inside the blender. Then I'll add water to cover it. You can see the water cover the ginger and the carrots. So now I'm gonna blend it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Keep on watching. There are more things I'm gonna add to this recipe. This thing works so well. If you want to clear up your skin and just want your skin to glow, just keep on watching. So I'm using my strainer to just get the juice out of the carrots. Because that's the juice that I want. Just keep on watching, don't go anywhere. Another thing I'm gonna add to it. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, remember, we don't throw this carrot fiber away. So guys, this is the juice that I got from the carrot and ginger. So I'm going to set it aside right now. Okay, the next thing I'm going to use for this recipe is our orange. I'm going to make use of this full orange, this big orange. If your own is not as big as mine, you can go ahead and make use of 2 oranges. But right now I'm making use of this one big orange. Okay, Guys, this thing gonna clear your skin and just, you know, it will brighten your skin and just glow your skin. This is just natural thing that you use to just glow your skin. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn make sure that you notify whenever I upload a new video. So that is it. So this is the fiber. So right now I'll just, you know, bring carrot juice and ginger, and I'll just add it straight to it. Guys, remember, we don't throw our fibers away. So right now I'm gonna add this fiber to the carrot fiber. I'll just add it straight to the carrot fiber and store it in the freezer. So that is the fiber. Then I'll store it in the freezer for my weight loss drink. So don't throw your fiber away. If you have been throwing your fiber away, don't throw it away anymore. So guys, the juice is ready. Just go ahead and serve yourself a cup of juice. Guys, you just want to glow your skin. You just want to make your skin to just look like a baby skin and brighten up your skin. This is what you need. You know, just 3 ingredients that just make your skin to just pop. Honestly, this thing works so well. Just go ahead and bring it. It will not clear up your skin. It will just make your skin to glow and look like a baby skin. Guys, it works. Go ahead and make yourself a drink, and you come back and tell me your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn the bell so you notify whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.